Paris. They try to copy everything down to the smallest detail by using the same style of architecture. The Eiffel Tower they built is only about a third of the size of the real one.
Мы с Тамарой ходим парой, да? Як це мило. Котики.
This giant chimney in Slovenia was converted into an extreme rock climbing wall.
Oh,
Nice. This person has cancer and recently underwent chemotherapy. Here is a video of him showing the side effects of the treatment.
Are you videoing? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. I have to cut it. I'm gonna cry.
That's okay. That's crazy.
This patch of grass got a water bubble stuck inside of it.